Hi guys, welcome to Money Talks UAE. Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna give you another Sarwa update. I'm just about to give you guys an update from the last week. So I did record an update from Sarwa last week, and unfortunately I was pretty busy, and I forgot to publish that in the channel. So, but this is gonna be a good bonus for you guys. So I'm gonna drop two Sarwa updates so you can see exactly what's gonna happen in 1 week period of time and another week also, so it's gonna be in total 2 weeks. So make sure guys to subscribe if you're new to the channel. And now let's go ahead and see my Sarwa account for now. And as you can see, my balance is around 11,673. That is for February 16th. We are of course in the 18th now. It's pretty late at the moment. It's almost 4 a.m. in the morning. So I'm just trying to give you guys this update. And unfortunately, I'm expecting this balance to drop a little bit because the stock market today was really bad, and one of the worst days actually of 2022. I don't know what's going on right now in the market, but actually there's a lot of bad news that caused all of this stuff to go down, and even cryptocurrencies are also like going down. So we're gonna discuss all of this stuff in this video. So now let's go back to Sarwa guys and check what's going on with my Sarwa account. So in my last update it was around 10,000 and now it's 11,000. So this is not a profit guys, because last week the stock market was also down and red. So I try to put some money also in Sarwa account, so in order to take advantage of the dip. And this is always my strategy, and this is always how I invest my money. Whenever I see red days like this looks to me as a big opportunity. It looks like a great way and opportunity to get some more profit. So you got, for example, this Facebook stock that you're looking at, and now it's trading at $207, and is just in like 1 week or like 2 weeks it was on the top of 381. So this is almost like $180 difference in profit if the stock went back to that period. Well, is it going to get back to this highs? Absolutely yes. So as you can see guys, look at the trend. It's always going up. It has some days when it drops like this, and you always have days like this in the stock market. But when you see a company like this that's always on the top in the world, so this is a very big company, and I am really sure that they will go back to the market, especially as you know Facebook is preparing for the metaverse, and they have a lot of projects in the future. It's not a finished company. They have issues, they have problems for sure, and I can tell you like a lot of problems that is Facebook is facing right now. But this is exactly the moment is for investors to take over. So you have this opportunity now trading at 207. This is like almost like 1 year, or like even more, like almost 2 years. The last time it was in this price, it was in this area. So it was around like March 2020. So exactly when the pandemic starts to be and beating the market. So this is exactly what I'm trying to tell you guys. You have a very good opportunities with Facebook, with other stocks of course, and I cannot tell you like even the ARK innovation ETF, it's also down. It's almost going down to that pre-COVID area. So it's a good opportunities that I'm seeing in the market right now, and I am pretty sure that everything will start jumping and going around to the top when it was already there. So let's go to Sarwa guys and see what's going on with my returns. So far 2.8%, $322 profit. Probably is gonna drop tomorrow to 200 or something. I am still on the plus side, but of course the market is not doing well, so I'm not expecting any returns at this moment. So I'm just like preparing for the profits. So that's why I'm adding money to Sarwa like every month. Whenever I have any available cash, I just pour it right now to the account, because this is the moment guys. This is exactly when you put your investment to work for you, because if you don't do it right now, you're gonna see the market is gonna jump higher, and then you will start getting encouraged to invest your money. And what happens next? You will have another correction, another probably stock market crash, or you never know what's gonna happen. So of course you're gonna suffer again, and you have to wait until the market starts to go up again. So as you can see, guys, the most like bad ones in my assets right now is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not doing well. It's minus 13.5%. It was almost like 30%, and now it's 13%. That gives you a big idea about Bitcoin. It's very volatile. So if you are including Bitcoin in your portfolio, so prepare for this volatility. We have also the US bonds and global bonds. They are really hammered right now. So, but the bonds actually is not a very volatile thing. So I'm not expecting a lot of losses here, or even a lot of profits. And even Sarwa, they're only putting around 700 or 800 from my $11,000. So it's not a big deal. But you can see the US stocks is 7.6%. It used to be 14%. Now it's down to 7.6%. The developed market is almost flat, 0.5%, and emerging markets is down 3.6%, and US real estate 10.8%, which is also down. It was around 20 or even 20 plus percent. So let's go and see the past performance. That's gonna give you an idea about what's going on. If you see now the curve is up because of my deposit. So I'm gonna do last month, so you will get an idea what's going on. So from the start of 2022, you can see here the 17th of January, the market was almost like every day going down, going down, going down, and until now I have this big deposit, and we're still not really improving. So last year, this is my yearly chart. As you can see, it's going in an upward direction, which is a beautiful thing that you need to see. But also, this is also because of my deposits, also because it's not only profits, it's also deposits as well. So that's all, guys, about my Sarwa account. So now let's go and see why actually the stock market is red today, and why like everything is losing money, and what's going on with the stock market, and also with the cryptocurrencies. So I usually use CNBC as one of the perfect sources of information. But of course, you know, Google is also your best friend. You can just search for anything that you don't know, and you will see here like most of these indexes are down. The European one, Asian one, and US for our example. As you can see, like the Dow Jones is down 1.78, the S&P 500 is down 2.12%, the Nasdaq is 2.88, the Russell is 2.46, and the VIX is up. So the VIX is the index for the US dollar, and it's always the opposite of the market. So whenever you see the VIX is in the positive side, it means that the stock market is not doing so well, and the US economy is also not doing so well. So why we have all of these threats? Okay, let's go down and see the news. So this is the major news nowadays, and this week, and let's say the whole month, is the tension between Russia and Ukraine. It's a big crisis, and it's updating every day. So whenever something bad happens, of course, it's gonna affect the stock market, and in general, it's gonna affect the whole investors. So now everyone, like the media and people, and everyone is actually looking into the Russia-Ukraine problem, and some they are expecting that there will be a war. So if in case would be a war between Ukraine and Russia, the stock market will still go down like crazy. So that's like not expecting that to happen, because you know, to have a war nowadays, it's not a good idea for every country. But you got my point. It's not something that can happen easily. And also we have the Fed, the US Fed, that's are having concerns about inflation. So they say that there is a problem in the economy, there's a problem of inflation, and we need to take action about this problem. So whenever you have problem in economy, it means the stock market is going to go down. So now two problems combined, and if you also add Omicron, the COVID problem, to these two problems, so definitely you will see a red day like this. You see a lot of losses in the stock market or even in the cryptocurrency. So that's it, guys, about my update about Sarwa. So make sure, guys, to watch the playlist that I am using for you here if you know about my journey with Sarwa, and if you want to know how is my portfolio is doing, if I am making money or I'm not making money with Sarwa. So make sure to watch this playlist, and also use the link that I always provide for you guys. If you are new to Sarwa, you can get, it's not you can get, but you will for sure get a free $50 once you sign up using my link. You just have to deposit a minimum of $5 to activate your account, and that's it. You got instantly $50 as a welcome bonus, which is a great start if you just started with Sarwa. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Make sure to subscribe with the channel, and I'll see you in the next week with a new Sarwa update. Thank you and have a nice day.